Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. Here you are, the home jersey of Chivas, a Mexican team, for the new season. This is a fun version, really nice. Let me know what do you think. This is a classic home jersey of Chivas with the stripes white and red. In my ranking, this is a 4 stars. I like this jersey and I usually buy each year the jersey. Let me know if you like. If you like, smash also the like button and tell me in the comment here below what other jersey would like to see in the future. Subscribe the channel, that is really important. For you it's just a click, you need to press this button, but for me it means a lot. See you next time, ciao!